advice for other students considering postgraduate training would be it's a fantastic experience. I feel very lucky as an Indigenous student to have the opportunity to do it, and I think for that reason it's something that I felt that I should really take advantage of. I think that there is a need to have more Aboriginal students pursuing postgraduate training, and especially in the health professions.
The reason why I chose to do postgrad studies was to further my career. I've been nursing for the last 4 years, and when I got to that 3-year mark I decided that I wanted to go back to community and wanted to deliver or look at healthcare provision from a broader scale rather than specific to nursing.
For me, the most important advice to other Indigenous students is to persevere. It's definitely worth doing, and it is hard, but there are a lot of supports around, whether it's financial assistance or whether it's support from the Indigenous Studies Unit. Just ask for help and don't be afraid or ashamed to ask for help, and you will get through.
Postgraduate degree at UQ is a fantastic start for any researcher. In science, you pretty much can't get very far without postgraduate studies. So the University of Queensland is a well-respected and well-known university, which basically sets you up for a fantastic start to your career.
Your own Indigenous knowledge is a way into a lot of things. You can actually use it in the same way that any other culture would deal with whatever the issue is in front of them. So that's effectively opened other doors, and I now sit on a series of boards throughout the state working with outside my area of architecture, but just within this area of ideas.